In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently organize your Gmail inbox with labels. Whether you're on your desktop or using the mobile app, this guide will help you streamline your email management, making it easier to find important messages quickly. I'll walk you through each step of the process, from setting up your labels to making them stand out with color coding. Let's start by opening Gmail. If you're on your computer, simply navigate to https://mail.google.com. If you prefer using your phone, open the Gmail app for a seamless experience. Once you're in Gmail, you'll need to create a label to categorize your emails. On a desktop, look at the left sidebar and scroll down until you find the More option. Click on it and then select Create New Label. Here, you can enter a name for your label, something that captures the essence of the emails you want to categorize, like work or personal. Once you've decided on a name, hit the Create button and your label will be ready to use. If you're using a mobile device, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen, then go to Settings. Choose your account and tap on Labels. Here, you'll have the option to create a label. Simply enter the name and save it. Now let's move on to assigning these labels to your emails. On desktop, begin by selecting the emails you want to categorize by checking the boxes next to them. Once selected, look to the top of your screen for the label icon. This looks like a small tag. Click on it and you can either choose an existing label or create a new one right there. If you're using a mobile device, open the email you want to label, then tap on the three vertical dots in the top right corner and select Move to or Label. Choose the appropriate label from the list. For those who want a bit of visual organization, color coding your labels can be a game changer. On your desktop, hover over any label in the sidebar. Three vertical dots will appear next to the label. Click on them, go to Label Color, and pick a color that stands out to you. This additional step can help differentiate your labels at a glance, making it easier to spot specific categories quickly. Finally, to view the emails you've labeled, all you need to do is click on the label in the left sidebar. You'll see all the emails associated with that category. And remember, you can apply multiple labels to the same email, allowing for even more nuanced organization. And there you have it. Your inbox should now be more organized and much easier to navigate. Whether you're using labels for professional purposes, personal organization, or both, this efficient system will help you maintain a clutter-free email experience. Happy organizing!